guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got a really quick video today. I just wanted to share some products that I recently purchased, or a product that I recently purchased, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. As you guys know, I am a beginner in makeup, but I am really excited about it, and I like the fact that, you know, I can change up my look a little bit and kind of look more like an adult. You know, I am adulting in life, and I feel like I should look the part as well. You know, I'm trying to become a little bit more of a woman and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You know, so I'm just, you know, I'm kind of late to the game, but I'm slowly but surely gonna catch up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I made a few recent purchase. I made a recent purchase on something that I just like cannot live without, like whether or not I put on powder, concealer, anything, whatever the case may be. I don't wear foundation. If you guys don't know that about me by now, yeah, I don't wear foundation. I don't think I necessarily need it. So yeah, I don't wear foundation. So eyelashes, something that everybody needs, like every female needs. I mean, if you don't have natural, long, beautiful, bountiful ones of your own, you can purchase them, yeah? And like the new craze are mink lashes. So I was like,
Zoe, you got to get you some mink lashes too, because they in, boo, and you gotta be in too, you know what I'm saying?
So yo girl, I have a old school mate, and she was selling these lashes, and I was like, whoa, like I gotta get them. So I got me some Huda Beauty eyelashes. I got them in the style Raquel and in Sophia, and like, let me tell you guys something. When I seen the pictures, I was just like, whoa. So, and like, this was the first time I've ever had to like look at lashes, like look at the hairs on lashes before like purchasing them, like, because they're so oh my god, you guys, they're so pretty. But Raquel is absolutely my favorite. Like, I am in love with them. So I'm just gonna show you guys the lashes. I have not tried them on as of yet. When I do try them on, I will either come back up with an updated video, yeah, with an updated video, or you guys will see me wearing them throughout one of my videos. If it's my vlog, then obviously I'll let you guys know. But okay, let me show you guys first. This is Raquel. For you guys a little bit. Okay, first of all, it comes in this packaging. Yeah, it says Huda. Is it Huda Beauty Mink Collection. And then on the back it says the name of the style. It also says it on the side as well. And this one opens like this, yeah. And then you take out the box like this, yeah. And then it has a little card thingy on the inside, and it says Huda Beauty. And then it just comes with pretty much instructions on how to put on the lashes. And yeah, so yeah, comes like this. You open it, and it's just like, I mean, the packaging is like any other one, but they are so pretty, you guys. Like, I wish you guys can see, like, it's not, you know, like regular like drugstore lashes. They're like, not necessarily, you know, I don't want to say flat, but you know what I mean, like they're all, if it's all on one strand, like they're all on one strand. Like there's none like coming up a little bit more than the other, unlike these ones. I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm trying to explain to you guys, but like, yeah, like, and the feel, I'm just so excited to put these on my face, but I'm just waiting for the right occasion to wear these, yeah, because you know they're kind of pricey. So you know what I'm saying, I ain't just trying to wear them all willy-nilly all the time and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? That's what the drugstore eyeshadow eyelashes are for. The next one is Sophia, and this, on the back of this one says, warning, lashes this fierce may cause serious trauma. So yeah, Sophia looks like this. Come on, Sophia looks like this. Oh, it's not too close for you guys. Sophia looks like. Like, so pretty. So the two of them together, just so you guys can see the difference. Like, Raquel is like what like my lashes are. Like, I like my lashes to look like on a regular. Like, I like them big and pink, you know? But you can see the, okay, you can see the difference. So this is Raquel and this is Sophia. Yeah, and I'm really excited to like try them on. Yeah, so yeah, that's my recent purchase in the makeup area. If you guys have purchased Mink or Huda beauty eyelashes before, and you have any tips or tricks for me, please comment them down below. If not, you want to know some more information, please comment down below so I remember you to give you an update. And yeah, like I said, I will come back at another time and I will update you guys in regards to how I like them. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love them, especially Raquel, because like I can't wait. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for stopping by. If there are any other, if you guys like reviews and stuff like that, and there's other type of review products and stuff like that that you guys would like for me to try out, let me know, because y'all know I'm willing to do that. And challenges, I want to start up back with my challenges and stuff like that. The weather's getting nice again, so give me some more challenges. And yeah, and until next time, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, all of them something there. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And whatever, yeah. Oh my god. See,